Chapter 2. Living and Surviving of Plants. There are different kinds of plants in different parts of the earth. Plants grow on land, in oceans, on mountains, in valleys and in deserts. They grow almost everywhere in the world. Can the same kind of plants grow everywhere on the earth? Can plants growing on land survive in oceans or deserts? In this chapter you will get answers of many such questions. Actually, plants' growth and survival depend upon the surroundings where they grow. Plants make certain changes in themselves to grow in different climate or environment. These changes are called adaptations. Plants change their leaves, stems, roots and sometimes their sizes according to the environment in which they grow. Rose plant, aquatic plant, desert plant, mangrove plant. Our planet Earth is divided into two main parts, land and water. So, plants are also broadly classified into two kinds, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants, these plants grow on land. Aquatic plants, these plants grow in water. No more. Marshy areas, part of land that are wet throughout the year. Crown, upper part of tree laden with green leaves. Terrestrial plants. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. These plants are found in plains, plateaux, hot deserts and in mountains and on hills. Plants growing in plains have thick trunk, many branches, broad and flat leaves and green crown. Their leaves trap a lot of sunlight to make food. Their strong and thick trunk hold them onto the land. Some of these trees shed their leaves in winters and grow new leaves in spring season. These trees are called deciduous trees. Mango, shisham, banyan, peepal are some examples of deciduous trees. In hot and wet areas of the plains, trees do not shed their leaves all at once. The leaves of the trees keep growing all the year round. Thus they remain evergreen. Such trees are teak and coconut trees. In some areas of the plains, rain comes throughout the year. So, in these areas plants keep growing throughout the year. Such places have turned into dense green forests with very tall and short trees. Climbers also grow around the trees. This makes thick growth of leaves and ground is almost covered with leaves. Various animals are found there. Such forests are called rainforests. Rainforests are found in some parts of Asia, Africa, Australia and South America. Some other plants also grow in plains. Most of them are cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables and other crops like wheat, rice etc. These plants grow according to the season. Vegetables like radish, carrot, turnip etc. grow in winter while ladyfinger, cucumber etc. grow in summer. Marshy areas have clayey soil. Clay soil holds lots of water and very little air. Mangrove trees grow in marshy areas. As roots of these trees do not get enough air in the clayey soil, they grow above the soil to breathe. Such roots are called breathing roots. In deserts, plants such as cactus do not have leaves. Their leaves turn into spines, thorns, to minimize loss of water. Their roots grow deep into the earth to get water. They have thick, fleshy and green stems that store water for their survival. They perform photosynthesis in their stems and store food. The waxy stem does not allow evaporation of water. Spines of such plants save them from desert animals. Date palm, kikar, babul, etc. are also found at some places in deserts. Kikar tree has very tiny leaves to prevent loss of water. The date palm has strong and hard leaves which help it to survive in hot and dry deserts. In hills and mountains, plants are tall and straight. These plants are cone-shaped. Their leaves are like thick needles with few stomata. These plants have sloping branches from which snow slide off easily. Most of these trees are evergreen. It means they do not shed their all leaves at once. These trees have cones instead of flowers. Cones have seeds inside them. Once all seeds scattered, they shed from the trees. Pine, fir and cedar, deodar, are some examples of such type of trees. The apple, walnut and almond trees are also grown in hills and mountain areas, but they have round leafy crowns or tops. They shed their leaves in winters. Aquatic plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants grow in ponds, lakes, oceans and seas. These plants adapt themselves to live and survive in water. Among the aquatic plants, some float on water, some are fixed while others grow inside the water. Thus aquatic plants are of three types. 1. Floating plants. 2. Fixed plants. 3. Underwater plants. No more. Banyan tree supports their heavy branches by growing aerial roots that fix to ground. Floating plants. Floating plants are either very small or light in weight. They are fluffy. Water lettuce, duckweed and water hyacinth are some examples of floating plants. These plants have small fibrous or spongy roots that help plants to float on water. These plants use sunlight and carbon dioxide from air to prepare their food. Fixed plants. These plants are fixed at one place by their roots which grow underwater. These plants have hollow, long and light stems. The stems of these plants are fixed to the bed of the pond or lake with the help of roots. The leaves and flowers grow from the top end of the stems and float on the surface of water. These plants have broad leaves which breathe through stomata on the upper side of the leaves. Stems of these plants are oily that do not get wet inside the water. Water lily and lotus are fixed aquatic plants. The broad and floating leaves of these plants are nesting place for tiny birds. No more. Kamal kakari is the hollow stem of lotus plant that makes tasty dishes. Underwater plants. Underwater plants such as hydrilla, tape grass are those that grow and remain underwater. These plants have long, narrow and thin leaves so that they can bend in flowing water. These plants breathe through their body surface because their leaves do not have stomata. These plants clean water by absorbing carbon dioxide breathed out by aquatic animals like fish and release oxygen into the water. The oxygen is used by aquatic animals for breathing. This is the reason why we keep some aquatic plants in an aquarium. You must have seen aquarium with some fishes and plants. These plants keep the water clean in aquarium. Some other plants. Plants of the grass family. Grasses are of many sizes. Grasses may be short like grass of the garden or tall like wheat, rice, maize, sugarcane etc. Plants of the rice, wheat, bajra are very useful to us. They provide us food in the form of cereals and fodder to animals. These are seasonal plants. They live for few months. Bamboo is also a plant of the grass family. It is a giant grass. It is the tallest and fastest growing grass in the world. It is used to make baskets, chairs, huts etc. The roots of the plants of the grass family help to conserve soil. Paper was first made by a grass called papyrus. The word paper came from the papyrus. Insectivorous plants. Some plants such as Venus flytrap, pitcher plant, sundew etc. live and survive by trapping and eating small animals and insects. These plants are insectivorous plants. These plants grow in soil which is poor in minerals. That is why they trap insects to get sufficient nutrients. The leaves of the Venus flytrap are in two parts. When an insect sits on the leaf, both parts of the leaf close to trap the insect. In pitcher plant, the leaves are hollow. The hollow leaves are filled with nectar. When an insect sits on the edge of the pitcher to feed on the nectar, the lid of the pitcher closes and insect is trapped and digested. Parasitic plants. Some plants such as cuscuta, dodder, get their food from other plants or trees. They spread over branches and leaves of other trees and get their food. You must have seen thread-like yellow stems spread over bushes. It is commonly called amerbale. They get their food for survival and in return saves the tree from any danger. Saprophytic plants. The plants that feed and grow on rotten substances of dead plants and animals are called saprophytic plants. Mushrooms are non-green plants. They do not have chlorophyll. They cannot make their food. They get their food from dead plants and animals. Quick recap. Plants grow, live and survive on land and in water. Plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Terrestrial plants are found in plains, marshy areas, deserts and mountains. Aquatic plants are of three types: floating, fixed and underwater plants. Insectivorous plants eat insects to fulfill their mineral requirements. Saprophytic plants feed and grow on dead plants and animals.